तो क्या सच में भारत में पॉलीमर बैंक नोट्स रिप्लेस करेगी हमारी एग्जिस्टिंग पेपर करेंसी को बाय जून 2026? Let's understand the truth behind this news. So according to the PIL, the news of polymer banknotes completely replacing our Indian paper money notes by June 30, 2026 is completely fake, and it has been confirmed by our Honorable RBI Governor Shri Sanjay Malhotra ji that the project is definitely into consideration, but it's yet at the preliminary stage. Let's extrapolate the key features of both paper banknotes as well as polymer banknotes. So the average lifespan of paper banknotes is comparatively shorter with approximately 2 years, whereas that of polymer banknotes is 2.5 times longer to that of paper banknotes. The upfront cost of paper banknotes is comparatively lower, with initial production cost being higher for the polymer banknotes. Third is the security levels. So paper banknotes have standard security levels with watermarks and threads embedded on banknotes, whereas in case of polymer banknotes, the security levels are higher, as even transparent windows can be added as an additional security layer. Fourth is the climate aspect. So basically, paper banknotes do get wet and torn with the additional climatic changes, whereas polymer banknotes are waterproof and dirt resistant. So आप मुझे कमेंट्स में बताएं कि which is a better option for India, existing paper currency notes or the new considered polymer banknotes. Thank you.